Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can trim your video in v.io. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser and then go to v.io and log into your account. Now, go ahead and click Edit Video if you have already edited a video from Veed. Now, what you need to do is hold on for a while and let the browser work on v.io. You can see down there's a section where you can pull this video and trim your video. It's quite simple. You can see that the size of the video has been captured and it has been lessened. So this is how you trim your video, guys. All you need to do is go down, click your mouse over here and go to the edge of the video and just drag it by clicking your left mouse button and drag until you want the video to continue. So this way you can trim your video quite easily. You just need to drag and drop the left mouse button and then your video will be trimmed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.